look at those season or they pop up inside of the fritters. So nice, right? Guys, look how lovely this is. It tastes so freaking good. So good. Remember guys to subscribe, to tell a friend, to share, and remember, God is love. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious, soft, moist Johnny cake. So for this recipe, you will need 3 cups of flour, going to need 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 dash of cinnamon, 1 mix your dry ingredients together. Then you're going to add 1/2 stick of butter, crumble it like this inside your flour. So for that softness you're looking for in a Johnny cake, you're going to add to this now some condensed milk or evaporated milk, which one you call it. How you're carrying up the flour like that. I'm going to add a little bit more. Then I'm going to add some water. By a little, because you pour in a ball. If you put more water inside it, guys, you can always go back and add more flour to it. from the night before, put it inside a Ziploc bag and keep it inside your fridge. It can stay inside the fridge up until 1 week without going bad. Then I'm going to just take a plastic wrap it and just leave it because I'm going to fry it just now. So I'm just going to take a plastic wrap it and leave it for like 20 minutes for all the ingredients to incorporate in it, and then we will get on with the frying process. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to damp the board with some flour. And I'm going to take a bowl about this size. Going to knead it like this, carrying it around and around. Then you're going to go like this or like this. You can use your palm or your hand and do like this, or you can use your finger and do like this. Which way you're comfortable with, you can do it. So guys, make sure you have everything ready for the frying procedure. Your bowl with your napkin there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to roll it. You don't want it too thick and you don't want it too thin. Just like this. Just right. Take your spatula and you can do this if you want. Just put the oil on top of your Johnny cake and you watch it rise. Look at that, guys. Look at that. If you have the patience. If not, you just put it in the pot and it will rise by itself. You see that? So it's like you cooking the Johnny cake on top, meanwhile the bottom is cooking. Nice, right? So this one wants to turn, so you just turn it over. Just to take it from the pot like this, and you just place it on top of your napkin. Just like that. So it's finally finished. Let me show you what it looked like. Let me take one. We're going to stuff these baby when we finish. One cheese. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This is what you're looking for. This is what. Flaky. Look how it just breaking apart. It's so hot. You see that? That's what you want. When you say you're having a nice Johnny cake, this is it. This is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, leave a comment down below. Remember, God is love.